Hello my bloody army, I am Bloody Crimson here, and today we are going to be playing Which Animal Do You See? Like, I'm doing another quiz today because I didn't know what to do and I wanted to upload daily videos, but this is probably going to be uploaded by tomorrow, but whatever. Well, on Saturday, but I'm being quiet because it is 11:52 p.m. and I don't want to wake anybody up, so let's go. Can you see the giraffe? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, which mammal can be seen in this picture? Ooh, look at all these animals. Oh, that bear looks cute. Oh, yo, my depth perception is so bad. I can see a human. Yo, I have like the worst depth perception ever. I gotta say, there's no animal. I can't see crap. What did you see first? I guess a funny cat. Is that an angry bunny? No way, that's not an angry bunny. That can't be. Well, I saw a funny cat first, but whatever. How many white cars can you see? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 max, yeah. Which animal can be seen in this picture? Yo, there's an animal in this picture. Oh, found it. Parrot right there. It's that green spot in the corner. Which animal can be seen in this picture? Yeet. I feel like that's the animal in the bottom left corner, but I don't know. No, I can see it. I can see it. It's a leopard. It's a leopard. Which animal can be seen in this picture? It's a squirrel. Alright, which animal can be seen in this picture? Oh, I can see it. Oh, what is that? That a hyena? No, that's a cheetah. Yeah, that's a cheetah. It has like a snout. So I'm like, can you find the cat hidden in the picture? Yeah, I think I can see it right there. Let's test your instinct. If you were a lion, would you attack this lonely zebra surrounded by a wild beast herd? Whoa. No, because that looks scary, yo. Okay, which do my eyes resemblance with? I am no owl. I am blind as a bat, though. Boy, you have eyes of an owl. You have very keen eyes that can discover even the smallest animal. Yeet! Walk on it and make your way with it. Boy, get that out of here. I ain't no owl. I'm blind as hell. I got depth perception than a bitch. I have to wear glasses, for Christ's sake. I'm probably never going to show my face because that's a secret to y'all guys. But I'm wearing glasses. I have to wear glasses. Both of my eyes are like messed up. These glasses have like +5 prescription on them or something. I'm like blind. But that's it for today, guys. Bloody Crimson, his out.